Freud tells me that you've given up your idea of proving the existence of hysteria. A pity. And I could have settled the question by presenting you with a classic case.
Who?
Myself. I have a whole complex of symptoms. Migraine, night terrors, even paralysis. Remember how I carried my right hand, thumb hooked round a waistcoat button, as though I was having my portrait painted? You never suspected, did you?
Did you know all this when you drove me away from your clinic?
I knew it before Scharker. I've known it for 20 years.
And yet you held me up to ridicule before our colleagues, made me out a charlatan.
Ham was accursed by his father for seeing him naked. You were my spiritual son. I'm not sleeping. I'm gathering my energies. Sit down. Don't interrupt. Neurotics form a brotherhood. They learn to recognize each other as I did you. They've only one rule: silence in the presence of the enemy. Our common enemy. The normal people would mock our deformities, torment and degrade us. You, Freud, belong to the brotherhood. I feared you because you seemed determined to betray us. So I did what I could to discredit you. My life has been a sham. I misused my talents, hiding the truth even from myself. I suppressed my real being. Result, I'm dying in a state of pride and ignorance. I don't know who I am. It's not I who live my life, but another. The creation of my vanity. Break the silence. Do what you set out to do. Betray us. We need a traitor. Go to the heart of our darkness. Hunt out the dragon.
Angels and saints slay dragons. I'm neither.
If you lack the strength, make a pact with the devil. What a splendid thing to descend to hell and light your torch from its fires.